I am never gonna understand why so many people are so eager and quick to spend money on a shot that literally makes them piss out their ass. And before you come at me and say that does not happen, that is not a side effect, yes, it is, and it happened to me. So I stopped and decided I was going to take a more natural, healthy way of accomplishing those body goals for myself. I made some serious life changes, and then I started incorporating some supplements, healthy, natural supplements that my body actually needs. Minoxidil and Cortisone, they have a combination of multiple supplements all in one, which makes them super easy. You're only having to take a few a day. I've gone ahead and I linked them below. Check it out.